In a world where speed is king and adrenaline is currency, the RC390 is a machine destined to dominate both road and track with unrivaled ferocity. If you want to take your RC390, this RC390 to a racetrack, it's very possible, very accessible. All you need to do is remove a few things from the motorcycle. Losing weight is a very important part of racing. No, and it doesn't come from eating less oily food, but it comes from removing certain road legal parts that aren't required when you hit the track. Removing the mirrors, the sari guard, the rear mud flap, grab rails, the number plate and the indicators should help in setting faster lap times. And all of this is fairly easy with the KTM RC390. If you set a timer, all of this should be done in less than 15 minutes and you are set to hit the track. KTM is providing a platform for you to come to the track in the form of the KTM Cup, and the RC390 is at the center of this universe.